For a T5 and T8 LED retrofit solution, it is mandatory that the built-in ECG is compatible with the LED tube. Why is this so important? How a compatibility check is performed and what you must pay attention to, let's take a look at this topic today. First of all, why is compatibility testing so important? There are a lot of different technical ECG types in the market. Some are power controlled, some are current controlled. There are cold and warm start types and so on. Therefore, there are many different kinds of ECGs in the market and all of those have different electrical technical output parameters. That means the LED tube has to deal with these different input conditions. Through this complex environment, it is not possible that all LED tubes work with all ECGs. It may be possible that if you using a non-compatible ECG, your lighting system does not work, or the lifetime is reduced, or the lamp can start flickering. So, really good reasons to check in advance whether the built-in ECG is compatible with the LED tube. And now, let's take a look at how this works.
Well, before we start, let me shortly remind you of the 5 safety rules of electrical engineering. Disconnect from mains, secure against reconnection, verify that there is no voltage, carry out earthing and short-circuiting, and cover adjacent live parts. But now back to our luminaire. We'll switch it off first. Remove the fluorescent lamp. Make a general technical check of the luminaire. Is the isolation of the cabling okay? Are the built-in lamp holders okay? If something is not okay, please exchange it and restore operationability. So, now the ECG. The name of the ECG is important and also the printed reference number. Please note them, or if you have a larger installation, it is recommended that you do this not only from one luminaire but from several. For this, it may be useful that you use the mobile phone and take just a photo of the ECG and the reference number.
Exactly, because this information you need to do a compatibility check. How can you do that? There are 2 possibilities. On the one hand, you can find an ECG compatibility list in the download area of our website and check it one by one. Or you use our new web app, Tube Finder, under LEDVANCE.com. Tube Finder. Well, just have a look whether we have a compatible ECG for our LED tube. So, we start the Tube Finder. I have to press here. Here we are, and here is the input field. In this field, you can now enter either an IRN or a reference number, or also the product name. We do that with the product name.
Please enter QTP-optimal.
Now a selection mask appears. Which QTP optimals are named here in the system? We have the ECG QTP-optimal 1 time 54 to 58. That's what we choose now. Press on search and get a suitable ECG with a suitable reference number.
AA5172205DG.
Particularly important and absolutely necessary is that the reference numbers match. Different reference numbers with the same product name can also have different compatibilities. So, please make sure that you have entered and selected the right information. So, I take this one. Wonderful! We now get a list of all compatible LED tubes that fit to the ECG. If there is no choice here, say no ECG is compatible,
then of course we can help you. If the combination does not exist, it does not mean that it is incompatible. It just means that this combination has not been tested yet. Therefore, if you have such a combination, please contact us and we will find a satisfying solution. In this case, we test for you whether this combination is compatible.
You also get ECGs shown that are not compatible, so you can already see if your ECG will not fit to the LED tube. So we can find together a solution for you and your project. So this ECG is compatible with our tube. Then let's give it a try. This is the HF type, which is only for ECG application. So we turn on and wonderful! It works, quite simple. Without any rewiring, just check compatibility and put it in and it works. If you need more information about the use, safety or benefit of LED tubes, or you are interested in our portfolio, then just check out our LEDVANCE channel. We have a lot of tutorials prepared for you. And for further questions, just contact us or visit our homepage on the LEDVANCE.com.